is a plane you don't see very often now. It's a 747 Air China cargo plane. Wow, I haven't seen one of those for a long time. And this is at Hanoi Airport. Just pulling into one of the stands. Wow, Air China cargo. Not seen a 747 for ages. Still Queen of the Skies, still running nice.